Hey there, my dear Vicanians and dear parents. मजे में तो कौन है? So I'm Janvi, and today I would like to share the best decision in my life, which I took 4 years ago. Yeah, it was joining Weekend Institute. Actually, my parents wanted me to speak English fluently, and they were just finding for one institute which would have a perfect ambience and which would be perfect for me. So, I was supposed to join that institute because of my parents, and they were just finding, and my father found Weekend Institute. He really loved it, so he shared with me that, do you want to join Weekend? So, firstly, I thought that let's say yes, what happened? Let's see. So, I said yes, but suddenly one question came to my mind and I asked to my father that what is the time? Then he answered that 6 to 7. So, I was just totally shocked that oh my gosh, I have to go to an institute at 6? It's my playing time. How can I go to 6 to 7 batch? Because at that time I didn't know that it will not ruin my playing time. It will make my evenings more precious. But my father insisted me that just go it for one day. If you don't like, then leave it. So I went there for first time. When I went there, I observed everything. The method was different. Everybody was speaking in English. I was not able to understand English. So I would say that I was the girl. I was the girl who was not able to understand English. I was the girl who was not able to speak English, but Weekend made me speak English. So I would like to thank Weekend Institute also. And then after I left no stone unturned to speak English. And because of Prakash sir, now I am here speaking and making a presentation in front of you all in English. So I would also like to thank Prakash sir, and just because of him, now we all are able to speak in English. And then after, I would also like to appreciate one formula of Weekend Institute, and it is don't worry about making mistake. And it is really a great privilege for all of Weekendings, just because guys, most of students are afraid of making presentation just because they make mistakes and teachers scold them. Why? But Weekend is totally different. So at the last, in the conclusion, I would like to say Prakash sir is just like his name, and joining Weekend was my turning point. If I didn't join Weekend, I would not be able to speak English. And Prakash sir has brought our hand and told us what to do and what to not. And he has always carried a gentle smile upon his face and always taught us, not to mention, he has assisted us whenever we needed. He has motivated us whenever we got any setbacks. So he is just like his name. He is real Prakash in our life. And just like sun rises and it gives us shining, Prakash sir also gives us shining, and he always motivates us. So thank you Prakash sir, and thank you Kiran ma'am also, who organized such a great institute. So thank you sir, and thank you all of you.